Írásbeli kommunikáció. Written communication. Hungarian for foreigners. Let's suppose that you have to write a letter in Hungarian. Let's see the basics. You have to write an informal letter to your Hungarian friend. The friend's name is Kovács Gyöngyi. Kovács, this is her family name, it means Smith, and Gyöngyi is her given name, it is the Hungarian equivalent of the English Pearl. So then you have to write Kedves Gyöngyi. Kedves, this is the informal salutation. It means nice, friendly, affable. Kedv means mood in Hungarian, so kedves literally means moody, someone who is always in a good mood. And Gyöngyi is for the informal name of the person. In this case, the informal name and the given name of the person are the same, Gyöngyi, but mostly we use different kind of nicknames. For example, from Boglárka, it's Bogi, Zsófia, Zsófi, Katalin, Kata, or Kati, and also we use these with men's names. For example, Zoltán, Zoli, László, Laci, Ferenc, Fecó, or Feri. Let's see now what if you have to write a formal letter. For example, Kovács Gyöngyi is not your friend, but your Hungarian teacher. Then you have to use tisztelt tanárnő. Tisztelt is the formal salutation. It means respected. And the tanárnő is here for the formal name or title of the person. Tanár means teacher and nő means woman, so the literal translation of tanárnő is female teacher or something like this. And here are some other examples for female ranks. Professzorasszony. Professor is for professor, and asszony means a married woman or a woman in a higher rank. Igazgatónő. Igazgató is director or CEO or principal. Igazgatóasszony, or this is the most formal one, hölgyem. Hölgy is lady in Hungarian, so tisztelt hölgyem means dear lady. And here are some other examples for men. Tanár úr. Úr means sir, Mr. or Lord in Hungarian. Without this, you sound rude. You have to add this úr after tanár if you call him or if you write a formal letter to him. Professzor úr. Igazgató úr. Elnök úr, Mr. President, or the most formal one, Uram, my sir, my lord. Now you can write what you want to write, and after finishing it, you have to make a closure at the end of your letter. In the case of the informal letter, it should be szeretettel. This is a very typical informal closure. It means with love. You have to use this when you write a letter to a woman. And also you can use pussy. It means kiss or sok pussy, many kisses, or just simply üdv. If you are not too close friends, then you should use this üdv. And also if you write a letter to a man, you should use üdv. And after this, you write down your name, your informal name, of course. And if you have to write a formal letter with a formal closure, then you should write tisztelettel. This is the most typical formal closure. It means with respect, but you can use also üdvözlettel. It means greetings. It is not so formal. And of course, you have to give your name and your title, and probably if there are no other place for this, then your email address. So at the end of your formal letter, you give your formal name and title. And if it is a printed letter, please don't forget to put your signature onto the letter. Thank you for your attention. Köszönöm a figyelmet.